Just arrived from Thai Airways in Hong Kong airport. I have 3.5 hours before I go to Taiwan, and I was gonna go out into the city, but I think I'm just gonna relax because I woke up at 5 a.m. today, and then it was like a 2-hour flight, and then we're gonna have an hour flight to Taiwan, and then we're gonna lay over for 7 hours, and then fly another 12 hours to San Francisco, and then maybe like an Uber ride back to my house. Will take like another hour or two, so it's gonna be a crazy Monday. So I'm just gonna take it easy. Alright guys, thinking about the wok fried cod fillet, and for drinks I might try the evergreen special. Sounds good. Let's not get too drunk on this flight. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't film as much as I wanted to. The flight attendants keep pushing drinks on me, so I had like 5 drinks in 1 hour flight, so I was kind of preoccupied, you know? So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe and smash that like button.